A jack plane is composed of 7 basic parts, including the frame, knob handle, the frog, cutting iron, cap iron, and lever cap. The frame is a precision ground straightedge that rides on top of the work. The front end of the frame is called the toe, and the rear is known as the heel. The knob is mounted on the front of the frame, while the handle is attached to the rear. The frog is a subassembly that provides the mounting base for the cutting iron and contains a lateral adjustment lever and depth adjustment knob. The heart of the plane is the cutting iron, which on a jack plane is positioned at 45 degrees. The cap iron, also called a chip breaker, is attached to the top of the cutting iron with a screw. The front of the cap iron has a slight curve which curls the shavings and deflects them away from the blade. The blade and cap iron are kept under constant tension by the lever cap, which is secured to the frog with a large screw.